Moroccan style porcelain dinner set. 24 pieces dinner set includes 6 rice plates, 6 dessert plates, 6 soup, deep plates, and 6 bowls. This complete collection is perfect for salads, soups, desserts, appetizers, and entrees, so it will definitely provide you with an unforgettable dining experience whether formal or casual events. Safe to use and versatile, fired in high temperatures. This dinnerware set is safe in the oven, freezer, dishwasher, and microwave. We could use plates and bowls to hold a variety of food. Great size for dessert, fruit dip, snacks, appetizers, raw veggies, sushi, cupcakes, assorted cheese, and desserts. This Moroccan-style porcelain dinner set is made from high quality, break-resistant, and BPA-free material designed to withstand everyday use. Plus, its luxurious design will add a touch of elegance to any table setting, whether indoors or outdoors. Its versatile design makes it perfect for both casual meals and formal events, while it's easy to clean. Surface ensures it will be a staple in your collection.